Our communities are filled with businesses and organizations, but is something missing? Visionary Society Projects gives you the tools you need to support or create a new entity that contributes to society. Begin by visiting the Projects Browse page to see Visionary Society projects in your location. Click on the project name to see the project you're interested in. You can begin by reading the project proposal and then continue to the project steps. Each step is a stage along the way of bringing the project into reality. If you want to help, sign up for a task. When the step is completed, it is marked as a success. Get involved by supporting a project. Supporting a project keeps you informed of its progress and gathers momentum for making it successful in the long term. You can click Explore this step or Explore Project Proposal to go deeper into project content. On the proposal page, you will find an explanation of the project in greater detail, as well as resources for you to explore. You can get started in creating a new project by entering your idea and proposing it to the community for validation. Once created, you can gradually add steps and resources and get support from other members in shaping and activating your project. A project requires dedication, but helps the community achieve something significant. Projects proposed by members need to be validated by the community before they can begin. Why not help your fellow members by contributing to and voting on their projects? On the Project Browse page, click on the Propose tab and visit a proposed project. Review the project proposal and steps, and then vote on the questions at the bottom of the page. Projects are a way to create something new in the world that addresses a social problem at the root level. Everyone has a dream for a better world. Make your dream a reality. Make your world meaningful.